Hi and welcome to this demonstration of the GM LR250 inspection rewinder. The LR250 inspection rewinder has a little plus here. It's for all the benefits in this machine. Now I'm going to take you through each of the benefits step by step so you really understand the joys of this machine. A unique benefit is the web aligner. So the web aligner makes sure that you can take a bad roll that is telescoping and the web aligner will fix it and make it look perfect. That's the number one benefit of this machine. Another benefit of the machine is the tension separation. Unlike many low-cost inspection rewinders, this machine has a tension separation nip. So you can have our unwind roll with a really low tension and the rewind roll with high tension, or the opposite. This is a unique benefit that you have super tight control of your tension. An example could be this roll. It is a client that makes stamps. So this roll is actually perforated. Let me take an example out. So you see these it is actually stamps you can see, and there is a perforation. Here you need super smooth and low tension. The machine can do this. The machine will not break the web every time you start up. The machine is prepared for the future. There is actually a bay here where the machine is from factory prepared for an inkjet system where you can do your date marking or your QR codes or your barcodes. So everything you cannot do in your flexo press, you can do on this small inspection table in a second step. You can also add 100% inspection camera for pharma applications. All our machines are built in Denmark, but Denmark is a very tiny country. So of course the machine is born international. A small press on the button and you can see it's born already with 5-6 different languages. We can add any language to the machine, ensuring that your operators has the best experience. So the machine can stop on a number of predefined events. First of all, it can stop on the label preset. How many labels do you have on the roll? It can also stop on the distance if you don't count labels, but you're running a filmic material on other material where you're running on distance and not on labels. Then it can stop on label error, that is missing matrix or missing label. It can stop on splice detection, external stop signal if you have a 100% inspection camera installed on the machine, and most importantly, it can stop when you're running out of the web. So that's the basic features. Now I'll take you through the more advanced features. Taper tension is a really unique feature on this machine. It is allowing you to do a very narrow web width and have a low tension at the same time. That's required to prevent the glue coming out of the labels when you're rewinding these very narrow webs. So I'll illustrate it here. We'll do a close-up where you can actually see how that lovely taper tension looks. We have our narrow web here with the stamps, and look how soft it is. So we still have a perfect roll quality and a soft tension at the same time. This is really a unique feature of this machine. Missing label detection is the most important feature of an inspection rewinder. I'm going to show you how the built-in feature works in the LR250 Plus. I have removed a label on the roll, and I'm gonna just put the pedal to the metal, max speed, and show you how efficient the missing label catch is on this machine. So now I'm gonna start up and floor it, max speed. We're going 200 meters per minute. So the machine caught the fault, and now it places the arrow right here at the sensor. Low unwind stop is an important feature all day long. This machine has an automatic slowdown algorithm. I'll show you just how efficient that is. I'm going to enable it now, stop on low roll diameter, and then I'm gonna take the machine to 200 meters per minute, full speed, and you can see just how soft the stop is. On conventional missing label systems, you have two options. Either you use a video camera, that's expensive, or you have to use two sensors, that's also expensive. On this machine, we have a unique feature. We're using only one sensor and then the computer combined with an auto-teach feature that measures the distance between the labels or your label length. I'm going to demonstrate how that works. When you set up a new job on the machine needs to know what's the distance between the labels. And you just press one button here saying teach. That will allow the machine to start measuring the distance, and I'll run a little bit. And after a short while you can see the number 217. That is exactly the length of the label. Thank you for watching this video on the LR250 Plus. Remember, this is a low power machine, it's born bi-directional, and it is an out-of-the-box experience. Plug it in and go. Contact us anytime for your personal demo. Thank you for watching.